We will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to file a first appeal on the eJagriti portal. Open the latest version of supported web browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari or Opera. Click on the address bar at the top of the browser window. Enter the URL https://ejagriti.gov.in in the address bar. Click on the login or sign up button. Enter registered mobile number or email, password and CAPTCHA, then click on the login button. The page will be redirected to the user's eJagriti dashboard. Click on the File New Case from the left sidebar. Choose First Appeal from the list of case types in the selection menu. A list of required documents will appear on the screen. Then click the Next button to proceed. Select the Old Case format or New Case format. In Old Case format, user will select the commission type, state name, district name, then enter the case number. New Case number format, user will enter the case number, like if old case number is CC/1/2024, then NCDRC NC/CC/1/2024 or NC/old case number. SCDRC SC/6/CC/1/2024 or SC/state LGD/old case number. DCDRC DC/CC/1/2024 or DC/district LGD/old case number. To know LGD code of state or district, go to URL ejagriti.gov.in/LGD-IDS. Then, click the Submit button to proceed. The case details will be displayed, including the case number, names of the complainant and opposite party, case type, commission, commission type, state name, case stage, date of order, case category and subcategory. Then click the Next button to proceed. Enter the date of the impugned or interim order along with the date on which the order was received. Enter the demand draft details, including the DD number, date, amount and bank name, if any. Then click the Next button to proceed. To select the appellant and respondent names from the list, check the corresponding boxes and click the Next button. If the user wishes to add additional parties, click Add Parties button. User will decide the role accordingly to the cause title. To edit the details of the appellant or respondent, click the View or Edit button and provide the required information. If needed, the user can delete any appellant or respondent party by clicking the Delete button. To select an advocate, tick the checkbox. If the advocate is not listed, click on Add another advocate. If the advocate's name is not available in the list, they must first complete the registration process on the eJagriti portal. After successful registration, their name and details will automatically appear in the advocate list. Then click Next to proceed. Upload the mandatory documents, index, proforma, synopsis, memo of parties, notarized affidavit, FA with notarized affidavit, certified state commission order and wakalatnama. Upload the annexures with proper titles if any. Upload a PDF document ensuring that each file does not exceed 20 MB in size. To add interlocutory application, select reason, then upload documents if any. Once everything is uploaded, click Next to continue. Select the commission name, then tick the declaration checkbox. After that, click the Preview button. Review all the details shown on the preview page. If user need to make any changes, click the Edit button and update the correct section. After verifying all the details, click the Final Submit button to complete the process. A confirmation message will appear. It will ask, "Are you sure you want to submit?" Please note that once the form is submitted, no further modifications will be allowed. If the final submission is not completed, the case will appear under the draft stage in the consumer's dashboard. When users select yes, a reference number will be generated and the case will be submitted to the concerned commission. Once the reference number is generated, details will be automatically sent to the registered mobile number and email ID. Click on Continue for final confirmation. The case will be forwarded to the concerned commission for scrutiny. The user will receive a notification regarding the status, whether the case is admitted or reverted. That's it. You have now successfully filed your first appeal on the eJagriti portal. For any technical assistance or support, make contact to eJagriti Help Desk displayed on eJagriti website. Email us at helpdesk-ejagriti@gov.in.
जागो ग्राहक जागो, जागो ग्राहक जागो।